In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refer a friend in Vantage. We'll go step by step so you know exactly what to do, what your friend needs to complete, and how to make sure you both receive your rewards without delays. First, log into your Vantage client portal or open the Vantage mobile app. Before you do anything else, confirm your account is verified. That means your identity verification, or KYC, is completed and approved. Most promotions require a fully verified account, so double-check your profile status. If something looks pending or expired, update it now to avoid any hiccups later. Once you're in the dashboard, head to the promotions area or look for a section labeled Refer a Friend. There you'll find your unique referral link and in many cases, a QR code as well. This link is what tracks your referrals, so copy it carefully and keep it intact. If you prefer sharing in person, the QR code is a convenient option your friend can scan directly from your screen. Now share your link using whatever works best for you, Messenger or WhatsApp, email, or social media. A short message works well. Let your friend know they need to use your link to sign up so you can both receive the bonus. If they create an account without your exact link, the system won't be able to credit you for the referral. Your friend will then need to complete a few requirements. They must open a live trading account, finish their own KYC, and trade the required volume, such as the minimum number of lots within 30 days. The 30-day window is important, so encourage them to get started promptly. Remember, only real trading activity counts. Demo trades won't qualify toward the referral criteria. After your friend meets all the conditions, your reward is on the way. You'll receive a cash bonus, often up to $250, and your friend will also receive a bonus, for example, $100. In most cases, rewards are credited within about 7 days. Keep an eye on your account balance or transaction history for the update, and if processing takes longer than expected, review the promo page for timelines and eligibility details. Before we wrap up, a few key rules to remember. Your friend must sign up using your exact referral link. They need to complete all tasks within 30 days, and only live trading activity counts. Bonus amounts or availability can vary by country or account type, so always check the latest terms in your portal. That's it. Log in, grab your link, share it, make sure your friend completes the requirements, and enjoy your rewards.